2023 looking bright for everybody, man. Look at these things.
Yeah, they looking good, that's for sure.
What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we finally took delivery of our brand new 2023 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide. Man, that thing was a freaking beast from the Middle East. That first ride was everything. Now, I'm not going to hold you. I was trying to get you guys a whole bunch of talking content while I was riding, but the way I recorded just didn't come out right. So you guys got to wait for the next ride on that, and I'll get you guys situated with that. But in the meantime, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. Like I said, we do have our brand new 2023 Road Glide in the house tonight. As for our other Road Glides, I'm waiting for the radio still for that one. I actually got to go to LA today and pick that up. Meanwhile, first place Reese's Pieces Road Glide is headed to Virginia. That one is ready, so that won't be getting picked up like Monday. And our third place North Carolina bike is heading to BBV today to get like the whole power and everything situated, because we got no power on this thing and I want them to get it started and everything as well. So they'll do that and a couple other little things I need done with it. But other than that, next time we see this thing, it will be running and riding and all the above. Meanwhile, might take this one too, just because we got the brakes that we need to get bled, I guess. Then again, I don't know, we'll probably do it ourselves. We'll see how it works out. But in the meantime, you guys already know what time it is now. Meanwhile, our 2020 is gonna be headed out of here shortly as well, man. So we'll keep an eye on the transporter for that one. Y'all know what time it is, man. 2023 CVO Big Daddy here for your boy. Now, I'm about to hop on this thing today. We about to go up to BBV, get this thing situated. But I ain't gonna hold you. I was just looking at like all my hats and stuff over here. I'm like, man, some people got in on some of these hats, some people didn't. And hey, man, now is your chance to get back in. $23. We got a huge Black Friday sale going right now, man. All these hats and everything you see is $23. We got coloring books. We got coloring books for $23. We got whatever hat you ever wanted that we released for 23 bucks. So many colors and stuff in here. The website will be updated. So you guys peep the website for that. Make sure you go and get your hat that you always wanted. If you never got it, it is here. I got a few of them left. Meanwhile, I do got a few wallets left as well. So if you guys didn't get a wallet and want a wallet, I got a few of these things left. 23 bucks. I got some patches left, 23 bucks. And I got a few stickers left, which will be 23 bucks. Now, I say 23 bucks because it's 2023, man. It's the end of the year. It's time to give back. And what better way to do that than to celebrate 2023 the real way? So I think now's the time to tell you guys, man, that our 2023 Road Glide CVO is up for grabs right now, man. If you guys haven't already, man, you guys know what time it is. If you head on over to the website on Everything's Regular, we got the rest of our hats that we never sold out, the bucket hats. We got these hats, we got wallets, we got stickers, we got patches. Everything that you see on the website will be $23 in honor of our 2023 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide. Now, I will be giving away this thing to somebody on December 23rd. So, like I said, man, if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, or if you guys don't have a 2023 CVO, man, now is your chance to own one for not only the low, but $23, man. All it takes is $23 and you can get your entry in for a chance to win. Like I said, you got action at my 2023 Harley-Davidson CVO for $23. You get 23 entries per purchase, man. 23 entries per purchase. That's everything you see on the website, from stickers to coloring books to wallets to patches. We got bucket hats. Now, I'm not gonna release the gray bucket hats just yet, but like I said, man, they're all $23, man. We're gonna get this thing situated. You guys stay tuned and we're gonna get this show on the road. And then, like I did say, guys, I got a few bucket hats left, man. Like I said, everything is $23, man. Head on over to everythingregular.com right now and go get your hat, sticker, whatever you see on the website that you like, man. Alrighty, guys, got this sucker loaded up, ready to go. Off to BBV. We're gonna get this thing nice and right, man. Nice and right. And then I'm actually about to drop this one off as well at BBV. I gotta get the brake and the clutch together on this. After that, everything will be good to go. And once I get it back, it can be pretty much ready to get delivered to North Carolina along with the blue one.
Get a plug in your record deal and that's a bonus.
just pulled up BBV. Y'all know what time it is now. BBV looking a whole lot different today, man. They done got a whole new shop and everything, man. 2023 looking bright for everybody, man. Look at these things. Ooh. Yes, sir. I ain't gonna hold you. Them things looking great, man. We're gonna have to get up in here, check it out, and see what it's, let's see them things come off. Hold up, let's see how we coming off. Let's see how we coming off the thing. Ooh. Y'all take y'all pick, man. Which one is the hardest in the air? Yeah. Golly.
Yeah, they looking good, that's for sure. Looking good.
Yes, sir. All right. So it's time to get these things on the road, man. Y'all know what time it is. Let me get my helmet off and get y'all situated. Big 2023 CVO thing, man. Let's see. Oh, they got it going on up in this thing. Woo. My God. What up, man? How I get to the front? How I get to the front? How I get to the service counter? Oh. I gotta go all the way around? That door right there. That door. Thank you, man. Oh, dang. John, what's up, man? Eating real good, ain't you, boy? Y'all living life up in here. Just the new 2023 shop. Oh, yeah. What's up, man? How you doing? Good. Man, y'all know we ain't seen John in a long time, man. I'm out of here. Courtesy of BBV, man. Y'all see what's going on? No, I didn't even try it, honestly. I totally forgot. I had to get some other things done on it too, so I was just like, I might as well just bring it down. And then I brought both of them actually. Okay. So the white one right there and this one. So that one I'm going to need clutches and brakes. I don't get neither one. This one, the rear brake caliper on this one, it's not opening up. I guess the rear brake is like stuck or something. I don't know if you can relieve it or not. But yeah, man. Yes, sir.
Long time no see. Yeah, how you been? Good.
My guy.
Yeah.
Man, he's been keeping busy. I seen him in traffic the other day, actually. And so the actual kickstand on that white one is jacked up too as well. You can put one in there. I'm not tripping.
Because they're gonna have to if they're gonna run.
Yeah, that's fine.
Take care of yourself.
Thanks, man.
Hopefully I'll see you more.
Appreciate you.
I know, right? Anytime, man.
Hey, I didn't left my lights on.
Do you have any more business?
I didn't left my lights on the CVO, man. Golly. Golly. Just left the lights on the CVO. Let me get my keys so nobody don't ride off with my ride, you know. Big 23 for 23 bucks, man. That could be y'all's, man. Head on over to everythingregular.com right now. Anything on the site, everything is going for $23. All the hats is gonna go first. I'm sure we got stickers on there, man. December 23rd, we will be picking the winner of this 2023 CVO Road Glide, man. Go ahead and head on over there right now. Meanwhile, it's time to get the North Carolina bikes situated. Both of these bikes are going to North Carolina. Both of the bikes are going to North Carolina. So we got to get a few little things situated. We got to get brakes, clutches here, and then this one is pretty much good to go. And then this is the only one that's not giving us no start up action or nothing at all. And then yeah, this one's good. It's just the rear brake on here, rear brake, and then no start. So we'll have to see what's up with this one, man. So how you like this spot better than the last one, or you don't?
That's way nicer.
Yeah, it seems like we're in like the Beverly Hills of like Las Vegas right now, you know?
Yeah, we got bathrooms indoors.
Yeah, what? That's pretty sick. Yeah, no, seriously. Brand new, I got it. It had 198 miles on it. 198 miles, and then I put the rest on there. So yeah, I'm thinking about giving this one away for 23 bucks. What do you think? To end off 2023 with a bang? 2023 CVO.
Can't lose.
Can't lose 23 bucks, right? I'm thinking that too, man. Better than the lottery, huh? Hey, man, everybody should have like at least a hot 20 in their pocket or something, man. But yeah, y'all see what's going on, man. When we up here at BVV, we just dropped the bikes off, man. So it's time to get these things situated. I'm about to go up in here, get my name on some papers, and we'll get this thing going, man. Y'all stay tuned. Alrighty, now that we got thing 1 and thing 2 dropped off North Carolina, you should be ready to go before the weekend is up. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Meanwhile, like I said, big 23 for 23 for 23, man. You know what time it is, man. $23, 23 entries. Anything on the website, every old product, we got a bunch of stuff on there, man. Go check it out. Meanwhile, I'm about to hop on this thing and slide. Just like that, guys, we done made it back home. We done caught a little Indian in traffic, man. I ain't gonna hold you. When you see an Indian on the freaking freeway after freaking seeing this every day, this bike literally looks identical to an Indian. I ain't gonna even hold you. I was like, is that a new CVO? You see, if y'all see in the video, I double taked a few times like, oh yeah, it's an Indian. Let me go ahead and get him. So I hopped on him real quick. He didn't want no smoke, but this 121 is a freaking beast. Man, beast from the Middle East, man. 2023 Harley Davidson CVO, man. $23, man. 23 for 23 for the 23, man. Y'all know what time it is. Head on over to everythingregular.com right now, man. We got hats that we released previously that we still have more of. We got a whole bunch of different like colors and all that good stuff. We got stickers, wallets, we got patches, we got a whole bunch of things, man, all on the website, man. So head on over there. Anything you purchase on the site will give you a chance to win, man. You guys know what time it is. Time to go, yeah, man. And by the way, that is 23 entries, by the way, man. So just to be clear, each $23 purchase, man, you get 23 entries per purchase, man. You guys know what time it is. We're gonna keep it going and keep you locked in, man. Let's get this show on the road. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. We finally got our freaking North Carolina bikes in the shop. The black and white one literally is already done. We dropped that thing off a few hours ago. BBV hit me back, was like, yeah, man, the blue and black one is already ready. So whenever you want to come pick it up, let us know. We'll be here ready. So today, I'm about to go pick that up. Meanwhile, our all blue Road Glide should be getting tackled today as well. So I can't wait to see what those things ride like. Meanwhile, man, if you guys haven't entered for a chance to win, man, you guys know I'm giving away my 2023 Road Glide CVO. Yes, man, the only one on the streets, man. It can be yours all for $23, man. Now, you guys know this is our 2023 brand new CVO, man. So with that being said, this giveaway will be called the 23, man. So 23 for 2023 for 23 bucks, man. You can't beat it, man. Head on over to everythingregular.com right now. Go buy you anything on the site. We have loaded up the site with all the merch that got us to this point. Now, some of the merch only has one item, some has two, some has maybe even 5 items left in total. So like everything literally has different amounts. But if you guys are able to get on the website and grab you something for 23 bucks, man. You're already entered for a chance to win the Big Daddy 2023 CVO Road Glide, man. So with that being said, I appreciate everybody tuning in today. About to go up in here, edit this video, come back out, get this day restarted, man. We're gonna keep this show on the road, man. So with that being said, I wanna thank everybody out there for tuning in, man. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, man, it's the end of 2023, and we ending this one off with a bang, man. So with that being said, 2023 Road Glide CVO for me, you 23 bucks, man. Head on over to everythingregular.com. You get 23 entries per purchase, man. You guys know what time it is. In the meantime, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.